I'm Fong from Fiji. I'm part of the visual arts team to the Festival of Arts here in Honolulu, Hawaii this year, 2024. My form of art is metal sculpture. That's what I've brought to FestPac 24. Well, I can't paint as well as others, and so I've decided to turn it into an art form, which I've been doing now for a number of years. I hope to meet other artists from the region, as well as expose my artwork to other artists in the region and meet like-minded artists and create network with artists from the region. Well, I hope to learn. I hope to learn much more than I've learned in the past. I hope to develop my artwork and to be able to compete with international artists on the international stage. Yeah, there has been a whole lot of interest. People have been coming in, photographing the work, asking questions. I think it's simply because there's no one else here in Honolulu displaying metal sculptures. The only metal sculptures here at this exhibition is ours from Fiji, and they're quite excited when they view the works. They're amazed at the fact that a simple equipment like tap or faucet has been used in the way we've used it here on the metal sculptures. I'd really like to encourage young artists or even young people in general that there is a path that you can follow and create art. If you're not good at painting or other things and you're good with your hands, sculpting in metal may be a way to go.